What if I told you that you could take a normal photo of yourself, upload it to Gemini, and create a realistic picture with a AI generated girl standing right next to you in less than 2 minutes? No Photoshop, no editing skill, no expensive software. Just one photo and the right prompt. And honestly, the results are so realistic that most people can't even tell they are AI generated. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in step by step using Google Gemini. We'll use Google Gemini to transform a regular picture into a realistic scene featuring you an AI generated girl. And the best part, you doesn't need any design experience. Just follow the exact step I am about to show you, and you will be able to create amazing AI photos in minutes. Let's jump in. Step 1. First, open Google Gemini on your phone or computer. Then, choose a clear photo of yourself. The better your original photo, the better the final result will be. Try to use a picture with good lighting and a visible face. For example, a photo that taken outdoors in a park, in a cafe, or while traveling really works. Once you have your photo ready, upload it to Google Gemini. Now, here's where most people makes a mistake. They simply type "add a girl beside me" and then wonder why the result looks strange. The secret is being specific. You need to describe exactly what you want. For example, add a realistic young woman standing next to me, match the lighting, camera angle, shadows, and background. Make it look like we took the photo together naturally. Already you will get much better result. But we are just getting started. Step 2. Now let's make the image look believable. This is where the magic happens. Instead of focusing only on the person, describe the entire scene. For example, if I am standing in a park, create a friendly girl standing beside me, smiling naturally, match the sunlight, clothing style, camera perspective, and depth of field. Notice what's happening there. You are telling Google Gemini how the image should feel: natural, realistic, authentic. And the more details you provide, the more realistic the final results become. And here is a pro tip. Simple and natural always look more convincing. Step 3. Now let's take it to the next level. After Gemini generates the image, don't stop there. Look closely. Maybe the lighting needs adjustment. Maybe the facial expression could look more natural. Maybe the positioning feels slightly off. This is where follow-up prompts become powerful. You can say, make the girl look more, or adjust the shadows to match the environment, or make the photo look like it was captured with a smartphone camera. Each refinement makes the image better. Professional AI creates rarely accept the first result. They improve it through several small adjustments until it looks perfect. And honestly, that's usually the difference between a good AI image and a great one. And that's it. Now, you know exactly how to create realistic AI photo featuring yourself and an AI generated girl using Google Gemini. Remember, the secret isn't the tool itself, it's the prompt. The more clearly you describe the scene, lighting, mood, and positioning, the more realistic your result will be. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe because I will be sharing more AI image tricks, Gemini tutorials and powerful prompts that can completely change you are able to create with AI. And before you go, let me know in the comments what AI photo should I show you how to create next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.